When I think of luxury living, there are three things I look for: golf, beach, and ocean view. And this home has it all. This home was recently refreshed from top to bottom, and a brand new pool has been put in. It's a perfect way to sit back and relax and enjoy that epic SoCal sunset with your friends and family. If you're looking to start your family, retire, or live the single life, this home is your forever home. You have the Dana Point Harbor that's being renovated just down the street. You have the farmers market every Saturday morning, restaurants, shops, you name it, we've got it here.